55 is another problem asking us to find the equation of the tangent line at a given point. And again, we know to find the equation of a tangent line, to write the equation of any line, I need to know the slope, and I need to know at least one point on the line. So on number 55, we're over halfway there because we've got the x and y coordinate of a point on the line. So now I need to find the slope, and that's what the derivative helps me to find. So the first thing I want to do on number 55 is find the derivative of that function. And we know that this is a quotient in number 55, so I'm going to need to apply the quotient rule to find that derivative. So I'm going to say low d high, the derivative of that numerator is 6x squared minus high 2x cubed minus 1. D low, the derivative of that denominator is 2x, and that's over the denominator squared. Well, that's x squared squared. You can write it like that. Of course, we know that's just x to the fourth. Let's just simplify that a little bit then. That's going to be, well, let's see, x squared times 6x squared is 6x to the fourth. And then I can distribute the 2x and just say minus 2 times 2 is 4x to the fourth. And then distributing the minus signs plus 2x over x to the fourth. And that's just going to be 2x to the fourth plus 2x over x to the fourth. Okay, so that will tell me the derivative at any point. I want to know the derivative specifically at this point where the x coordinate is 1. So I want to find f prime of 1, and that's going to be 2 times 1 to the fourth plus 2 times 1 over 1 to the fourth, and that's just going to be 4. So I have a slope that's equal to 4. They told me the x and the y coordinate of a point, so I can go ahead and write the equation using the slope, the point slope form of a line. I'm going to say that y minus the y coordinate of 1 is equal to the slope, which is 4, times x minus the x coordinate of our point, which is 1. That's the point slope formula for our line. If I wanted to write it in slope intercept form, I would just add 1 to both sides and distribute the 4, and I would end up with y equals 4x minus 3. Either one of those are acceptable answers for the equation of the tangent line.